Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're gonna answer the famous question: Is TikTok Shop legit? And for this, we're gonna see some of the Reddit people's answer and what do they think of it. As you can see, that someone said it's just TikTok's version of Temu, and then this person has bought many items, and the reason why it's cheap because there is no middleman. And another thing is, another person said, I wouldn't buy from TikTok shops unless there was a small business I absolutely loved that didn't have a website or an Etsy. Most of the TikTok shop stuff is garbage drop shipping cap. And that, yes, I do agree with. So, what I would say is that it is mostly legit. The TikTok does try to not have any sort of scam products over there, but at the same time, I wouldn't say to completely rely on it. I would say do your research before just buying from it. Do not look at the top comments that say, "Oh my god, I loved the product." Go as far as you can and see if you can find any negative reviews or not. But mostly, it is mostly legit, but still, I would say be careful what's out there. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.